Hello everyone. In today's video, we are using an ingredient produced in our mini garden, that is, potato leaves. You may find in grocery stores or may produce if you happen to have a vegetable garden. Start by cutting the fresh leaves. In a non-stick frying pan, add a cup of cooking oil. Once it's heated up, add shrimps that were marinated with spices for 15 minutes. Fry the shrimp until half fried. Keep the shrimps aside once it's done. Add more cooking oil. When heated, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and chopped garlic. Fry until the garlic turns golden brown, and then add the chopped onions. After it turns golden brown, add the diced potatoes. Cut it into small pieces so that it cooks faster. Add the green chilies with it. One tablespoon of salt or more according to your taste. Stir fry and now add the following spices. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and then 1 tablespoon of ZEERA powder. Stir and mix all the spices together. Put the lid on and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the fresh potato leaves and the previously fried shrimps and stir again. Add half a cup of water and cook for 10 minutes. The delicious stir fry is ready and can be served with rice or rotis.